Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for May 19, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Roche's Tecentriq gained accelerated FDA approval for the treatment of locally advanced or metastatic urothelial carcinoma. The therapy, which will be priced at about $12,500 a month, is the first approval of a PD-L1 inhibitor by the agency to treat this type of cancer. Also in the news, a report called for drug makers to be rewarded for developing new antibiotics to tackle the global threat of antimicrobial resistance. The market entry rewards would be subject to certain conditions that ensure the drugs are not over-marketed but are available to all patients who need them. In other news, Johnson & Johnson entered a deal with MacroGenics potentially worth up to $740 million, focused on the latter's experimental drug MGD015. MGD015 incorporates MacroGenics' dual-affinity retargeting platform to simultaneously target CD3 and an undisclosed tumor target. In addition, Sanofi plans to test potential Zika vaccines on animals this quarter before selecting the most promising approaches for human studies next year. Nicholas Jackson, head of research at Sanofi's vaccine unit, said, "We are still whittling down our list of options." And finally, Merck KGaA's first quarter healthcare sales fell 2.4% to €1.6 billion despite organic sales growth of 5.4%. The company noted that revenue was hit by negative foreign exchange effects of 6.8%, as well as the return of Kuvan rights to BioMarin Pharmaceuticals. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.